My friends and I were lucky enough to get to shoot some Tannerite targets. These explode when you shoot them. A really good time shooting and blowing them up. To add to the explosion, we would put the Tannerite into fruit. But this was a whole lot of fun. It was cool to watch the pieces fly, but it was just as fun without. The only thing that I would have changed was definitely have more Tannerite.